Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Etobicoke Creek Trail in Brampton, Ontario, where we begin our journey southbound from near Pearson International Airport towards Eglinton Avenue. The trail follows the gentle flow of the Etobicoke Creek, a significant waterway that winds its way through Brampton and eventually joins the Humber River. This trail is a cherished part of the community, offering a peaceful escape into nature amidst the urban landscape. As we ride, you'll be surrounded by lush greenery and the soothing sounds of the creek, providing a serene backdrop for our journey. Historically, the Etobicoke Creek has been an important natural feature in the region, with Indigenous peoples relying on it for centuries. The creek has played a role in shaping the development of Brampton, serving as a natural boundary and a source of water for the growing city. Along the trail, you might notice remnants of the area's past, such as old bridges and historical markers, offering a glimpse into Brampton's rich history. As we continue south, the trail takes us through a variety of landscapes, from wooded areas to open fields, showcasing the diverse ecosystems that thrive along the creek. This area is home to a wide range of wildlife, including many species of birds, making it a great spot for nature lovers and bird watchers. Approaching Eglinton Avenue, you'll notice the transition from the natural surroundings to the more urban environment of Brampton. Eglinton Avenue is a major road in the area, connecting various neighborhoods and offering access to local amenities. Despite the proximity to urban life, the trail maintains its tranquil atmosphere, allowing you to enjoy the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this bike ride along the Etobicoke Creek Trail.